Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about Matsato. And this sample was provided by them, so thank you, Matsato, for the great knife. It's a chef knife, and it's an exceptional knife. I like it. This is how it comes inside the case. So what I like about this um, knife is that whether you're a chef or a home cook, this knife you need it. Like it will allow you to slice from different meats to chicken to um, slice some vegetables like cucumbers, tomatoes. This is how it looks like. It's very sharp, so I will say be careful with a knife. um, Also, it has here the handle is made of beech wood, which is very strong, and here you can put your finger on, and then you can cut thinly slices of vegetables with a point, or you can use the whole knife with knives, with separating legs and thighs from a chicken, or even slicing salmon. It's very useful whether you're a chef or a home cook. I recommend it. I love it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.